It's just freaking snow. That's how much snow we got. My poor chops. Look at that snow. It's like hanging off the edge by like a foot. What the f? Yeah, you see that really smooth spot? That's a sheet of ice. You can see all the little rabbit and birdie feet. Super cold. It's also like fresh out here, so it's kind of fun to just chill out here even though it's 20 freaking degrees, but it's nice. Look at this. This is where the car was parked. You can see how many inches of snow we got. So much snow. It's like, look, that's 100% a rabbit. Well, you got all four paws there. It's cute. It looks kind of like a butterfly. So it started snowing last Saturday. It is now Friday. I'm off work again because this is just too much snow. I'm not gonna risk my life or risk my property to go to work. So it's another snow day. It's just crazy that we've had like a whole week of snow. This is the most snow I've ever seen in my whole life. So it's kind of insane to grow up in South Carolina and now I live in Missouri where it freaking snows like this. Not all the time. This is the first time I've experienced this much snow in the 4 years that I've lived here. This will be the start of the 5th year, but it's just such a different experience. If you guys need some help, look Look how deep the snow is. You can't even see, you can't even see the box on this side. Yeah, that's wild. Like, I know there's wood under there. There's like, this is 6 inches of snow. No joke. Actually, here, look. Let me show you this. That's my little shed. Look at this. It's like a foot of snow. This is Josh's snow angel. It's actually kind of pretty now that it's got like a light dusting over it. Is that why they call them snow angels? I don't know. And now it definitely looks more angelic to me. Go. There's my snow angel.